you're looking for a compact SUV with safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Trailhawk in Velvet Red Pearl. With HID headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, off-road suspension, adaptive cruise control, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, remote start system, heated second row seating, foot-activated open and go liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7086.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.